Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right mic for your voice. A dynamic works for loud sources, a condenser captures detail. Once connected, set your audio interface to 44, 100 or 48, 000 HC and 24-bit so recordings are crisp. Make sure Phantom 48V is enabled only for condensers. Plug USB or XLR into the interface, clamp cables, and set input gain to a low starting point. Then position the mic about 6-12 inches from your mouth and prepare to test levels. Next, you configure monitoring and levels so you hear what you record. Enable direct monitoring on the interface to remove latency and set a comfortable headphone blend. Once done, slowly raise gain while speaking. Aim for peaks near -12 to -6 dBFS to preserve headroom. Make sure to add a pop filter and keep roughly 1/2 to 1 foot distance to avoid plosives. If using a condenser, watch for clipping and engage pad, if available, before proceeding to test takes. Now you record a few test takes and listen critically for noise, clipping, and tonal balance. Save raw files with clear names and normalize or trim the best sections. Once you have a clean take, apply a gentle high pass to remove rumble, light EQ to fix harsh frequencies, and subtle compression to even level dynamics. If things go wrong, troubleshoot one item at a time. Check gain staging, swap cables, enable a low-cut filter, and test the interface on another computer to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.